So one of the things that we do in my class is that we actually experiment with a wide range of ways to make monoprint and monotype, and everything from the traditional ink on a plate to something that's like a little bit more more like a collage, and also even more alternative process like some of the watercolor process, which I will demonstrate in my class. And you can use any of those number of tools to whatever that suits your temperament with your visual and aesthetic ideas. And one of the things that I do encourage in the first few days is to experiment with these processes, and then allow those experimentations and mistakes to generate an idea which you can grab onto, and then hopefully to the end of the week, you can focus on a single idea and develop that into a body of work. One other thing about this workshop is that we take the basic idea of monoprint and monotype as a kind of a conduit between intuitive thoughts to much more conceptually developed ideas. And we kind of expunge our ideas through the seriographic process of printmaking. What we do is we take one idea and generate other ideas from it. And in printmaking, kind of each time you make a print, it kind of leaves a residue and a history of the previous print, which we can kind of generate and bounce ideas from. And my job as an instructor and a printmaker is to help you both technically going from point A to point B, and also help you direct your ideas through materiality of printmaking and the history of and techniques of printmaking to realize your visual and creative goals.